ASP.NET Core 6 brings a host of new features and improvements that make it a powerful framework for developers. From enhanced performance to advanced security, this version is packed with tools to streamline development and improve application efficiency. Let's dive into the top features of ASP.NET Core 6. ASP.NET Core 6 offers long-term support, or LTS, for 3 years. This version supports major operating systems such as Windows ARM 64, Mac OS, Apple Silicon, and Windows ARM 64. It is also supported by Visual Studio 2024 and Visual Studio for Mac, ensuring a stable and reliable development environment. With ASP.NET Core 6, you can host your applications on all major platforms, including cloud, desktop, Internet of Things, and mobile apps. This cross-platform framework allows you to reuse code across different applications, providing a unified look and feel. The release also includes .NET MAUI for creating native desktop and mobile apps. ASP.NET Core 6 is a significant improvement over its predecessor in terms of performance. It focuses on improving the efficiency and speed of just-in-time and ahead-of-time compiling. This reduces project execution time and improves latency, making your applications faster and more responsive. Hot Reload is a game-changer for developer productivity. This feature allows you to modify the source code while the app is running, reducing the time it takes to rebuild, restart, or navigate back to the section where changes were made. It supports various app types, including ASP.NET Core, .NET MAUI, Blazor, and more. ASP.NET Core 6 introduces advanced security features, including preview support for runtime defense and depth mitigations, like write-exclusive execute and control flow enforcement technology. Additionally, OpenSSL 3 authentication and ChaCha20. Poly 1305 encryption schemes have seen significant improvements, enhancing the overall security of your applications. C#10 simplifies code by reducing the number of lines required to run a program. Major improvements include global directives, file scope namespacing, and record structures. F#6 is designed to make code easier and more performant, with new features like task-based async and pipeline debugging. ASP.NET Core 6 supports minimal APIs to streamline the getting started experience and improve the performance of HTTP services. This feature reduces complexity, allowing developers to create fully functional web API applications with minimal lines of code. Blazor apps using Razor components can now be rendered in JavaScript. ASP.NET Core 6 includes preview support for HTTP 3, the latest version of HTTP. This new version addresses existing performance and functional challenges using a new connection protocol called QUIC. This ensures faster and more reliable connections for your web applications. .NET MAUI is a cross-platform UI toolkit that enables the delivery of native modern client apps for desktop and mobile platforms with a single source code. With .NET MAUI, you can create applications that run on Android, iOS, iPadOS, macOS, and Windows, providing a seamless user experience across devices. ASP.NET Core 6 provides improved support for OpenTelemetry, a collection of tools, SDKs, and APIs to help web developers analyze the performance and behavior of their software. This allows applications to seamlessly interact with similar systems, making it easier to monitor and optimize performance. ASP.NET Core 6 is a robust framework packed with features that enhance performance, security, and developer productivity. Whether you're building web, mobile, or desktop applications, this version provides the